Good day, everyone. I am Pauline Clistibi Perez, and today I will be presenting Varicella zoster virus. Varicella zoster virus is a member of a herpes virus group, a DNA virus that can persist in the body as a latent infection after a primary infection. Primary VZV infection causes varicella, or also known as chickenpox. And even after chickenpox infection is over, the virus can reactivate, resulting in herpes zoster or shingles. The virus is exclusively in human, which means humans are the only reservoir of VZV, primarily childhood disease that occurs worldwide. It is made up of double-stranded DNA and icosahedral nucleocapsid consisting of 162 capsomer proteins surrounded by a tegument and lipid envelope. The virus particle is highly temperature sensitive and the infectivity depends on the envelope. It is highly contagious and can be found on surfaces such as doorknobs, toys, tablets, and in rooms where children or adults have active varicella or zoster. But the replication of the virus is restricted to human cells or simian origin, thus having a short survival time in the environment. Varicella zoster virus is an airborne virus that enters the host through the respiratory tract and conjunctiva. It replicates at the site of entry in the nasopharynx and regional lymph nodes. The primary infection of VZV proliferates in the oral pharynx, infects T cells that enter the circulation, and disseminate virus to the skin and possible other organs. It can remodel diverse T cell population to facilitate skin trafficking, resulting in the characteristic rash of varicella. While in latent infection, gene expression is restricted and possibly blocked, and when reactivated, it can cause necrotic and hemorrhagic. Clinical signs: in primary infection of varicella or chickenpox, rash is often the first sign of disease with mild fever and other systemic symptoms like headache, malaise, irritability, discomfort, and lesions. Unvaccinated individuals who have not yet received varicella vaccine experience rash that is generalized in the body and progresses rapidly within 24 hours. In herpes zoster or shingles, the most common characterization is red skin rash that can cause pain and burning. Shingles usually appear as a stripe of blister on one side of the body. Some may experience pain and sensory loss, motor weakness, and the macules and papules progresses to vesicle, which eventually cross and resolve. Treatment and prevention: there is no cure for chickenpox and shingles, but treating it as soon as possible can help prevent complications and speed up your recovery. It generally resolves within a week or two without treatment. To prevent spreading the varicella virus, be sure to keep the rash clean and covered. Do not touch the blisters and make sure to wash your hands often. Do not use aspirin or aspirin-containing products to relieve fever from chickenpox. The use of aspirin in children with chickenpox has been associated with Reye's syndrome, a severe disease that affects the liver and brain that can cause death. And most importantly, get vaccinated against varicella virus to be protected against chickenpox and shingles. That's all. Thank you for listening.